for continuous importing on TradeJournal.co. All you have to do is go to Broker API Sync. You'll load one of over 20 different brokers to pick from. We're going to do Robinhood right now. I already got TD Ameritrade connected, and we'll go ahead and go way back. We'll want to click up here and we'll just go to 2015. The good thing about Broker Sync is just every day you log in, you already have your trades imported and you're ready to review and do some analytics before the new trading day or even after the trading day. And let's go ahead and connect this one. So it just saves you time, makes everything a little bit quicker. There we go, verification. All right, broker successfully connected. So if we go to this first link, add, view, and manage, you'll see that Robinhood is now connected. If we go to import again and check reports, there will be shortly a new API source import report that's pending, so it'll be processing all the transactions. Give that a little bit of time. That's pretty much it. You'll have those new transactions coming in, and then you use the wizard to make trades out of those transactions. You can also use files, copy and paste. This is what I typically did. I would just copy and paste the transactions right in here from TD Ameritrade or any other supported broker. That worked pretty well, but now this will just save me a little bit more time, and I'll have my brokers here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect Coinbase next. That's all there is to it. I'll see you guys on the leaderboards.